Hey guys, thank you for watching this video on the roads with Safat, and this was the Benz Experience for you. So hope you enjoyed this very short video. There was amazing concerts, beautiful collections, classic cars. Look at that! Look at that! So guys, this was the Benz Experience for you. This was a very short video. I hope you really enjoyed this. Next video gulo ashbe, it's going to be reviews on new cars that have recently been launched in Bangladesh. So I hope it's going to be useful to you, just like it always has been throughout my videos. So that's a message for you, and this is still the right time to like and subscribe my channel. If you haven't done so, just do it right now.